In this tutorial, I will discuss statistics module in Python and how you can use statistics module to find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation of the list. So let's start. For using statistics modules, so first of all you need to import the module. So first of all import module. So you can see the suggestions. Import statistics. So after that I am going to create a list of positive integer numbers. So I am going to create a list. So list name is, let's say, data, and I am using some values. So let's say 13, 15. So I am just entering some values in my list, and these are some values of the list. And now I want to find the mean of all the values. So for that I can use first of all, let's declare a variable mean, and then I will use statistics dot mean. So very simple. And here I will pass the data. So here I will pass the data. So it will calculate the mean of all the values which are in the data list. And now I will print. So just print it. So very simple it is. So mean is, and here I will print the mean, save it and run it. So when you run the code, you can see in the output the mean is 14.8. So it's very easy to find the mean of all the values of the list with the help of statistics module. Okay, next I will find the median. So for that the median function is used to find the median. Median is actually the middle value of the numeric data in the list. So for that we use the median function. So the median function is used to return the middle value of the numeric data in the list. For that I what I will do I will create a variable. So I will use statistics dot, and I will use median function, and I will pass the data, and then I will print the median. So very easy. So now let's run the code, and you can see the mean is 14.8 and median is 15. So when you arrange these values in the sorting order, you will find the middle value is the 15. So median is, you can see, the 15. Now I will use the mode function, and mode function actually returns the most common data that occurs in the list. So for that I will create a new list. So let's name a new list as data2, and here I am going to have some values. So let's say 22, 24, 27, 27, 22, 22, 23, 26, 26, 28. And you can see from the list the most repeated value is 22. So when I use the mode I must get this value. So for example, so how to use the mode function? Simply use statistics dot and mode function, and here I will pass data2, and now I will print the mode. So I will print the mode, and now let's run this cell, and you can see the mode. You can see from the output the mode is 22 because it is the most common data that occurs in the list. So next I will find the standard deviations. For that, standard deviation function is used. So standard deviation function is used to find the standard deviation. So for that I will create a variable, so statistics module. So you can see this statistics module is very helpful, and I will use a standard deviation function, and I will pass the data is my list, and I will print it. So now let's run this code to check find the standard deviation, and you can see the standard deviation. So we can also find the low median of the dataset and the high median of the dataset. So very simple. So for that I am going to create another list. So let's say the list name is set1, and I am passing some values. So this is my list, and you can see actually these are the even number of values in the list. And if you find the median, you can see if you sort the elements and find the median, and median will be two values. So you can find the low median and the high median using statistics. For that, for low median I am going to use a variable L median. So low median statistics dot median low, and here I will pass the list. So list is set1, very simple. And then I will print, so print low median, and here I will print low median, that is L underscore median variable that I have used. And now run this code, and you can see the low median is 5. Similarly I can find the high median. So just simply copy this and paste it, and for high median I will change the variable name h median, and function will be median high, and I will print the h median, and here I will write high median, and run this code, and you can see the high median is 6. So see how simple it is to use statistics module in the Python, and with the help of this module I am able to find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, low median, high median. So it's very easy. So we can use this module in case we want to find the mean, median, mode of our data. So that's all. Thank you.